Hi, this is Gaurav. Welcome to Taurus Tech. And as you might have a smallest idea of the OnePlus T series phones, OnePlus actually releases a smartphone and then after a few months they release the same phone with a different version. They are going to be adding T to it and with slightest improvements in this phone. For example, if you take OnePlus 7, OnePlus 7 was released and then after a few months OnePlus 7T came out but with slight improvements which actually made a big deal out of it. Now MI seems to be following the same pattern of this, and MI is actually coming with two new smartphones, that is the Mi 10T and the Mi 10T Pro. As you all know, Mi 10 series came out in February of 2020, and after a long gap, MI is actually coming up with slightly improvements in the same phone. They're going to be launching Mi 10T and Mi 10T Pro on the September 30th, that is 2 days from now. But before the phone is even launched, all of the specifications of this phone have been leaked on Twitter. And before we get into any more details about this phone, if you are new on this channel, please make sure you subscribe. Hit the bell icon so you get notifications whenever I post a video. I make tech videos every single day. And if you are into tech, I really recommend you to subscribe. And now, without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So firstly, let's talk about the Mi 10T. The Mi 10T is coming with a 6.67-inch IPS LCD Full HD Plus display, and the processor on this phone is a Snapdragon 875 SoC. The RAM on this phone comes with a single variant, that is 8GB of RAM, which is LPDDR5. And the storage on this phone also comes with a single variant, that is 128GB. The camera on this phone is surprisingly a triple camera setup. It comes with a 64 megapixels primary camera, a 13 megapixels ultra wide lens, and a 5 megapixels macro shooter. The front facing camera on this phone is a 20 megapixel shooter. The battery on this phone is a 5000 mAh battery, which comes with 33 watt fast charging support. This phone has a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, and this Mi 10T is supposedly be coming in two different color variants, that is going to be black and silver. Coming to the Mi 10T Pro specifications, Mi 10T Pro is similar to the Mi 10. It comes with a same display, which is a 6.67-inch IPS LCD Full HD Plus display. The processor is also similar, which is a Snapdragon 865 SoC. The battery on this phone is also very similar, but the main difference you are going to be seeing is in the camera and storage. So camera, instead of the 64 megapixels as the primary, you get 108 megapixels primary camera, a 13 megapixels ultra wide lens, and a 5 megapixels macro shooter. The front facing camera is very similar. It's a 20 megapixels primary camera. The RAM variants on this phone is a single RAM variant. It's a 8GB RAM variant, and the storage is you're getting option over here. The storage starts with 128GB of storage, and the top end version is going to be getting 256GB of storage. The Mi 10T Pro is supposedly be coming in three different colors, that is going to be the black, the silver, and blue. So Mi 10T was coming in only black and silver variant, but Mi 10T Pro is coming with a one extra color difference, that is blue. Coming to the pricing of this phone, the tipster has not revealed any of the pricing details of this phone, but there are rumors spreading around saying that this phone is going to be costing at around 500 EUR, which is roughly around 47,700 Indian currency for the Mi 10T, the normal version. If you're going for the Mi 10T Pro, the starting version of this phone is going to be costing 640 EUR, which is roughly around 55,500 Indian currency, and the 256GB version of this Mi 10T Pro is going to be costing at around 680 EUR, which is 59,500 Indian currency. Now coming to the verdict about this phone, if the specifications that were told in the leaks are supposed to be coming true about this phone, I would really recommend you to go for the Mi 10T Pro with 128GB of storage, or you can even go for the Mi 10T normal version, because the only big difference you're going to be seeing in a camera, that is you're going to get 64 instead of 108, or there's no major difference. You have 128 as storage, which is basically fine. You have the same processor, you have the same front camera, you have the same fingerprint sensor placement, and everything is similar, but only difference is that you're going to be getting extra storage and a bit better camera. Well, since this phone is not a budget oriented phone, this is a premium phone, as you can see by the pricing of this phone. This may attract a lot of people from out of other companies because a lot of people do not tend to buy MI phones that are pretty expensive. But this performance, if this comes out as expected, the specification comes out as expected, it may attract a lot of people, a lot of crowd as well. So this was all for today's video. I hope you liked this. If you did like it, leave a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe if you're new around here. My name is Gaurav. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.